Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce our new Optick slider. The Optick slider can display your blog post with a full width section view and a robust animation effect with blur. This slider is made by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin to add taste in your blogging page. Let's see how it works. On the Layout section under the Content tab, you can adjust the height of the slider in the first option. Just drag the scroll bar. Keep the image size to full in order to preserve the graphics as well. There are a bunch of switches below which can show or hide certain things like title, text, author, etc. Right under these switches, you can select the items to hide in desktop, mobile, or tablets. Increase the text limit to match your post layout. You may also display the post author or not if you wish. In the separator field, you can put anything as a meta separator right above the title. There are also date and time options that can be turned on with the switches below. Notice that there's a counter at the bottom of the slider panels. You can hide it using the counter switcher here. Next, the query lets you customize what you are going to display on the screen. Below, you can display only the selected categories of posts using the include field. Let's select the terms, then type food and select the food category. Notice the slider displays only food blogs now. You may also sort them by date and order. It's up to you. For the slider navigation, we have arrows, dots, progress, or combinations of these. Let's go with the arrows. You can change the position of the arrow to 9 different locations. For the icon, we have more than 20 arrowhead styles included. Also, you can hide the navigation in mobile or not using the switcher at the bottom. The last section named Slider Settings have the animation controls for the slider. You can make the slider move with the autoplay as well as set the speed. There are switches for pause, grab cursor, and loop. Let's move to the Style tab. First of all, you can find content width and alignment option on the first section. Also, change the position to make it look better. The Soul button at the bottom calls for the glass morph effect. The next section lets you change the color and typography of the counter set at the bottom of the post image. For the counter number, let's have a yellow shade on that. The title section has 2 more options. You can set the color for the hover mode here. Let's customize the meta text above the title. First, the background. make it pitch black to match the background color of your slider. For the button, we have color, border and padding options available. Let's pick gradient background color for the button. Change it the way you like. You can also change the angle of the gradient color. Now, let's set the padding for the button. Lastly, we have options to customize the navigations. And go for the hover color. Same as before, pick yellow for the hover. Now on the normal mode, change the arrow size to suit your slider canvas. Change the offset value if the alignment seems off. And perfect! Your magnificent Optick slider is ready to show off. Looks great and awesome. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.